أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I hope so you are fine. So let's start our today's video by sharing my screen. Today our topic is about internet. Let's see the connection of internet by physics. So I would like to invite Mariam in the session and we will let it together see what is internet and how can we connect it by physics. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I am fine. I hope so you would be also fine.
Alhamdulillah.
So let's start our today's session on physics regarding internet and how does it work and whether we can connect it by physics or not.
Yes.
So let's start. One minute. So we have a question here which we have to solve by seeing internet in depth. Is internet connected by physics? In any type of way. Let's see this and let's learn what is internet, how does it work, and what is the history of it itself. So first of all, Mariam, can you tell me about how can we connect internet by physics? Can you hear me?
Sorry. I thought I was muted, but I was not. Actually, my perspective is the internet like connects devices through a combination. Actually, it is called a physical um, interfa- interface in the physics of electromagnetism waves. So that's why we can connect physics to internet. That's my perspective.
Well, I don't know so much about internet, so let's see whatever Google says and whatever
Okay.
they think about it. So here they are telling that yes, the internet is a fundamentally connected and enabled by physics. It relies physically if it relies on physical infrastructure and principles of physics to transmit and process data. So yes, they are telling about this. Do you have you learned about the physical infrastructure? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello. Maybe there is some internet connection issue. So let's see. Let's discuss it with our dear brothers and sisters who are thinking, what are we doing? Well, let's talk about internet basically. From my perspective, what internet means, internet, if we make its mind map, So it would be like 1 minute. So it would be like seeing whether it's and then seeing that what it is, how does it help us, when was it created, and other things. So, can you help me with some of these questions? And I was asking you, Mariam, that can you tell me, have you learned about physical infrastructure which maybe will be connected by um, internet and physics, maybe?
Actually, I have not learned about it yet, but I'm going to start research on it.
Okay, so what do you say if we verbally try to tell on the basics of what's internet as per our perspective, as per worldly perspective, what it is, how does it help us, and when was it created, like in the
Um,
period's time?
I know about what is internet. Can I tell it?
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Actually, the from my perspective, the internet is like simply called the net. It is a worldwide system of interconnected computer networks and electronic devices. That's my perspective.
So my perspective is that electricity helps internet work. Are you agree with that? I hope you are agree with this, that electricity makes internet work, and then internet is in easy ways something something which connects us with someone. What do you say about that? What do you think about it? It's my perspective that because of all of the working of electricity and management, because of electricity helping internet work, then it comes into our phones by some coding or some type of thing. It's like something which can be with done with the wires. Like for example, there are some cables. 1 minute. Let me draw them.
Yes, this is also the thing. Like it connects.
Like there are these type of cables, and maybe they have the head offices, and they're connected by underground tunnels, maybe by the wirings, and then they have the wires, different type of, which are leading to different areas, and they travel different miles. You understand my point? And because of these wires, then coming to our
Yes, I'm getting
houses,
the point.
our houses, and because of these type of things, because of the wires and these type of electricity stuff, our work and our house is lit up by the by the bulbs, which were made by someone living in the 19th, maybe. We will learn all of that. I am trying my level best. So it will be like this, making houses lit up with bulbs. With bulbs. Okay? So these are the things. And then that electricity, if we talk about that electricity, where is it coming? So that electricity can be then connected by solar kind of stuff. Let me talk about that too. I am drawing. I hope you can see. And my dear brothers can also understand what my point is.
Yes.
We can say this as a solar panel. It's kind of blue, and I know everybody have seen this, and it has some type of mechanism to take take energy from the sun. Okay, and then maybe because of thousands of these working in a day, the electricity is generated to our houses, and those houses lit up by the bulbs, by whatever we need, and by the internet, which we use for our gadgets and mobile phones and many other stuff. So these are the things for now, for today. I hope you understood, dear brothers and sisters, and you as well, Mariam. Let's wrap up
Yes.
today's session. Inshallah, we will do another part for this, in which we will learn many of the questions which are remaining for today. And we will learn about the mechanisms, how do they work, which type of laws do they use for physics, and many other stuff. So these are the things, dear brothers and sisters. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.